What's up? Choose here. 12:07 p.m. Gonna do, first of all, I haven't worn this shirt in a long time, so that's what it says. Never forget. It's a floppy disk cassette and a video cassette. Not one of my favorite shirts, but it's better than my Susie shirt. Okay, so first I'm gonna do more Rice Krispies. And no, wait, I'm not gonna do that because I want y'all to see this first and then I'll do more Rice Krispies. And I might look through these, a couple of sales papers. But cereal week continues. This is day 4 and I have got Froot Loops from the dollar store in a bag. So let's see. I hope you guys are doing okay. And I hope my nipple isn't showing through the shirt. Yeah, I think I can cut it. I was putting it on and looking at it in the mirror and saw my chest nipple and I'm like, ooh, they don't want to see that. So I tried to get rid of it. Seems like there were more of these in this bag than there was of the Honey Bunches of Oats that I had in the box. That's a little cray-cray. Anyway, unsweetened almond milk. Here we go. Oh, you know what? I gotta do it this way. I moved the board so that I can show you the shirt. Maybe, hopefully you can see it a little bit better. Okay. So, come on, no, don't spill on the board. Tonight I will be doing another mukbang. It might be a whisper one. In actuality, I was supposed to whisper in this one while I did some page turning, but anyway. Y'all don't care, right? I don't care. That's not enough milk. Let's see if we can get a little more in there. I think I'm gonna have to no, you don't. I think I'm gonna have to buy some more milk. I want to do that again. Probably won't last, but my thumbnails are always a roll of the dice. So, Allie Katniss ASMR responded to one of my videos, and she asked me, well, she said since she didn't know why cereal videos don't get that much love. And at first I said I didn't know, and that I'm just glad that there are some people that are subscribed to me who do like them. But then I thought about it further, and it made me think of one time when I kind of Googled ASMR and mukbangs, and I came to this. You know, when a lot of us started watching these, we probably saw people with really, nice size meals, plates, stuff on their plate. I think that's the appeal. We talk a lot about tingles and sounds, but I think also there's a visual stimuli in there too. Seeing a bunch of things on a plate or a platter and how it's presented, I think that adds to it. Obviously, this is basic. There's nothing really, going on with this or a bowl of salad. While maybe colorful and it's good if someone is trying to maybe lose weight or something, they might like something like that, but it's not the same as seeing a bunch of like Whoppers or Big Macs or, you know, chicken wings, boneless wings and stuff on, and French fries and onion rings and maybe a little colored vegetables off to the side. It's not the same as all of that variety. Or a row of tacos or something, you know? So I think that's why. That's my only, like, educated guess, I guess. Or, like, you know, the people that eat all the noodles. Doesn't come out right. People, the mukbangers who have, like, a bunch of noodles and the different spicy noodles, and, you know, it's visually more attractive. I'll tell you something. This cereal used to be sweeter. "10 grams of sugar. I think the sugar dissolves into the milk or something. But it's not as sweet. Oh yeah, I will I'll be doing another video later on featuring what I wanted to make yesterday. So that should be pretty cool. I have to say, this was underwhelming. It makes me wonder, although I have finished it, it was underwhelming. It makes me wonder, is there a different taste to it because it came from a dollar store, or has it gone the way of a lot of foods back in the day? They used to be a lot better. Rice Krispies, you guys. For those who wouldn't mind a little more snap, crackle, and pop. I'm probably gonna pour some more in there too. May not be that much. I don't want too much milk, but I want enough. Hear my sound. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Get on that mic. You'd think I'd never had Rice Krispies in my life. I used to feel the same way about the Pop Rocks candies. Well, this cell paper is from Jewel Osco, and it starts, I guess, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday on. Wait, no. This is something different, I think. The Monopoly game. So it's like can win $1 million instant ticket. Oh, okay, so these are bonus ticket items. Progresso soup, buy 2, get 3 free, which is interesting because I already have 2 cans of Progresso soup that I want to do in a future video, and they're each $2.49. And they got these cereals, $1.69 each, but you have to buy them in multiples of 5. Ain't that a bitch? Oh, no, I don't need no more cereal. Oreo cookies, 2 for $5. Frosted Flakes, Rice Krispies, Frosted Mini Wheats. I never bought that either. $1.88. Is that the soft? Oh, bored. Come on now, really? It's that soft texture. Not quite soggy, but getting there. I want another bowl. I do. Bump that. That Frankenberry can go in the laundry room, but not you. You stay in here. I'm gonna finish you out. What else they got in here? This sales paper. Go on and snap crackle, baby. Go on and do that. Okay, Screaming Sicilian Pizza. I've seen that in the stores, but I don't know how I feel about it. Ding Dongs and Twinkies, 2 for $5. No, thank you. Not in the mood for that. I'm gonna make a cake, so I'm not gonna in the mood for that. I need a cheese knife, which is not in here, but Van de Kamp's fish. The Tostitos and Sun Chips and Smart Food. Oh, the popcorn, 2 for $6. That's not bad. I would get those Sun Chips and that popcorn, probably. Okay. Ooh, that's too much. You guys, Instagram, the official Chews. Follow me there. And there are like 10 people that have tried, that want to follow me, but I don't know if they are subscribers of mine or not. So I think I'll just X them out because they haven't gotten back to me or anything. Also, I can always use a donation if you feel so compelled to do so. PayPal. I never leave the link. let me know if you would like to donate or make a small donation. I don't need peanut butter. Oh, the Oikos yogurt, 2 for $7. You get a 4-pack. That's not bad. Now this is when oh my God. Okay, so they have Fruity Pebbles and Oreo O's cereal, which I haven't tried yet. Buy one, get one free. I don't need another damn box of cereal. I already got Fruity Pebbles. I wonder, is the Eggo waffle, I wonder if that's a Post. No, that's Kellogg's. Trying to get the cereal out my teeth. That's why I'm doing that. Y'all, you know what I'm thinking? It might be time for some paschetti real soon. Okay, that was 3 bowls. You gotta do that right now, sir? Really? Really? Rotten bastard. Okay. Let's cut the shit out. I'm sorry I couldn't give y'all too much page turning. I tried to give you a little bit. I'll do it the right way with some gum, like in another video. But yeah, it's time to go because they trying to keep up fuckery while I'm doing my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your views, those who are viewing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a few hours with my dinner. Okay, bye.